Question 5 for 4 marks. Second question, cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then prove that sin square a plus sin a raised to 4 is equal to, then we have to find out this value. Now what is given? Cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So I have taken this cos on that side, so value for the cos square a is equal to 1 minus cos a. Now take left hand side. Okay, so left hand side, that is sin square a plus sin raised to 4a. Now take the sin square a common, so 1 will remain over here and here sin square a. So in the bracket sin square a. Now we have the value for the cos square a. So I have converted sin square a into cos square a. So this is 1 minus cos square a, this 1 as it is, and for the sin square a 1 minus cos square a. So this is 1 minus cos square a and this is 1 plus 1, 2 minus cos square a. Now multiply both the brackets. Now first multiply by 1. If you multiply by 1, it will be as it is, 2 minus cos square a. Now multiply by minus cos square a. So minus cos square a into 2 is minus 2 cos square a. And minus cos square a into minus cos square a will become minus minus plus, and square will become cos a raised to 4. Now this will get added. This is 2 minus 1 cos square a minus 2 cos square a will become minus 3 cos square a, and this is plus cos a raised to 4. Now this is 2 minus 3 cos square a. Value for the cos square a is 1 minus cos a. So for this cos square a, substitute 1 minus cos a, plus this is square of cos square a. So this is 1 minus cos a the whole square, because cos square a is 1. Cos square value is 1 minus cos a. So that I have substituted over here. Now we will expand this and multiply this bracket by 3. This is 2 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 3 and cos a. And expansion, here use the formula a minus b the whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square, 2 into 1 into cos a is minus 2 cos a plus cos square a. Okay, so this 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 cos a, this 1, and this I have written as it is. This minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. This is 3 cos a minus 2 cos a cos square a. 3 cos a minus 2 cos a is cos a, and this is cos square a. So the value for this 1 is 1. Okay, so that means this answer, we had find out sin square a plus sin e raised to 4. Answer for that is 1. Question number 3. If cosec a minus sin a is equal to p, sec a minus cos a is equal to q, then prove that p square q raised to 2 upon 3 plus pq square raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Now p is given this value. For the cosec a, I have substituted 1 upon sin a. So this is 1 upon sin a minus sin a. Now cross multiply. This is the subtraction of fraction. So 1 minus sin square a, denominator will be sin a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. This is cos square a upon sin a. So this is for p. Now same do for the q. For the q, sec a minus cos a. Sec a is 1 upon cos a. Cross multiply. For this substitute sin square a. Now find out the value for the p square q. So p square q, this is the p value square and this is the q value. Do the square of this. So square and square will become raised to 4, and this is sin square a. This as it is. The sin square a will get cancelled, and from this 1 cos a will get cancelled. So cos cube a will remain. Okay. So the value for now we'll find p square q raised to 2 upon 3. So this is p square q raised to 2 upon 3. That is cos cube a raised to 2 upon 3. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled because it is a multiplication like this. 3 into 2 upon 3. So 3 will get cancelled. Cos square a. So put as a 1. Now same way we will solve pq square. So this is p value. This q square. Write the square of this, cancels cos square a, sin a, 1 sin a, the sin cube a. Then pq square raised to 2 upon 3. Here also 3 will get cancelled, sin square a. Now left hand side This is the left hand side. So substitute the value for this 2 from equation 1 and 2. This is cos square a and this is sin square a. Okay, so answer is 1. That is equal to right hand side. Question 4. Tan 7 degree into tan 23, tan 60, tan 67, tan 83 is equal to root 3. Now here we are going to use the formula tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So write left hand side. Now bring this tan 7 and tan 83, because the addition of this 2 is 90 degree and this tan 23 and 67 is also 90. So write this together, these two together, tan 60 as it is. Now for the tan 83, write 90 minus 7, because 90 minus 7 is 83. Here also we can write 90 minus 20, 90 minus 83. Anywhere you can substitute. So I have written tan 7 as it is, and for tan 83, I have written tan 90 minus 7. Tan 60 as it is, tan 23, and for the tan 67, tan 90 minus 23, because this subtraction is 67 only. This is tan 7 degree. This is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus 7 is cot 7. Tan 60, tan 23, and this is cot 23. Now we know that cot means 1 upon tan. So cot 7 means 1 upon tan 7. Okay, tan 60 as it is, tan 23, and this is 1 upon tan 23. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Only tan 60 has left, and the value for the tan 60 is root 3. Question number 5. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Then we have to show that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Now this value is given. Squaring both the side. After squaring, we'll square both the side. So this is a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 3. Value for this is 1. This 2 sin. So 2 will become, this 1 will become minus 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. So sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 upon 2. So the value for the sin theta cos theta is 1. So we have got the 2 values over here. Now we'll take the left hand side, tan theta cot theta. Now for the tan and cot, convert into sin and cos. So tan is sin upon cos, cot is cos upon sin. Addition of fraction, cross multiply, add that. So you have got this. Now here it is a square plus b square. So this is okay. Instead of doing this, what I did here, I have used the formula a square plus b square, a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, and then for the sin theta cos theta I have substituted with the root 3. This is minus 2 1, and for this also 1. So like this also I got answer, but here also directly we can get the answer. This value is 1 upon sin theta cos theta, and we have found the sin theta cos theta is 1. So this is 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so directly here also we are getting the answer. Okay. Sixth question. Tan theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, and we have to show that sin square theta is equal to half. Now this is given. Now bring this minus sin square over here, so this will become cos square theta sin square theta. The value of that is 1, and for this tan theta it is written sin upon cos. Now sin theta upon cos theta equal to 1, that means sin theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree, because sin 45 and cos 45 value is same, that is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so theta we have found out here. Now we have to show this. So take left hand side, sin square theta, that is sin square 45 degree. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, so square of that is 1 upon 2, and that is equal to right hand side. Seventh question. 1 plus cos square a dot sec square a plus tan square b 1 minus sin square a equal to sin square a tan square b. Okay, left hand side I have written. Then for the cos and tan, substitute, convert into cos and sin. Then multiply this bracket by 1 upon cos square and this bracket by this. So after multiplying we have got this. Now for the whole denominator is cos square b, so that is written, and added the numerator. Now here 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So for this, write sin square a. This is sin square b, and this is sin square a sin square b. Now from this 2 here and here, bring sine square a common, so 1 and minus sine square b is left, and this sine square b over here. Now for 1 minus sine square b, substitute cos square b, so this is sine square a. For this, cos square b plus sine square b. Now this is the addition of these two terms. Separate the denominator. Here this will get cancelled, sine square b, and this is tan square b, that is equal to right hand side.